We're at Tredegar House Park, Country Park. This is. They haven't started cutting trees on this side yet, but apparently they're going to. I'm not scared, honest. Wobbly guanies.
This extraordinary creature is half blind, half deaf, and this is just about as fast as it can move. Any predator could attack it, and it doesn't have the speed to escape.
You see how posh this must have been. Anyway, see that there now? Let me zoom in. That's marble. And there used to be one all the way along there. Years ago. Arseholes has been smashing bits out of it. What do you expect in there? Well, I walked right the way around the lake. Not one fish. Not one fish to be seen. Well, there you go. Walk around the lakes. Dog kept pulling me every time I tried to open the camera up, so that's unusual. As I said, there's no fish in here now, they're all gone. Because they stopped fishing here. Because they stopped fishing here. Other ponds come and started pinching the fish in the nights. They know who they are as well. Because we know who they are as well. But what can you say? What can you do? You know? So you won't see a fish in there now, lads. You might see a dog in a minute. You might even see a fatty in there in a minute. Because he's trying to trip me up every time I move. And you? Ha ha ha, you fell in. Hang on, I've got to get down here. So we live exactly, I should think, 500 yards from here. 500 yards. Oh great, you all said. Ah well, could be worse, couldn't it? I'll take you through the shortcut. Oh look, the fucking gates are open tonight. Oi, gates are open. That's a fucking first. You see this hole? That's been there every time they put a new fence up. That hole. We even got cameras here, look. So you're not alone out here in the middle of nowhere. We're not alone. Heat seekers and all sorts. Hey. They're not right. Oh! You want to have a bite at you, boy? Didn't like you, huh? Somebody didn't like you. That's a first. .45 in a 30 mile an hour. .42 in a 30 mile an hour. If a kid comes running out of there, they don't stand a chance. You could stand here all day and that's all you'd get all day. Buses, coaches, lorries, cars, even twazaks on bikes. 27, what's wrong with you, man? 27, that's a world record. Come here. No, fuck off. Go. Hi there, I don't know if you know that we do a live night at 8 PM